I'm going to show you 3 different ways to sign out of your iCloud account. One of them is going to be using the actual phone that we have right here. With the other 2 methods, I'll show you how you can use a different device to sign out remotely. Say your phone was stolen, or your iPad was stolen, or you lost it, or whatever. You want to make sure you sign out of your accounts. So if someone finds it or has stolen it, they can't access your data. Those other 2 methods are going to be the way you do it. So let's hop into the first one. Go to the settings. On the main settings page, you see your account up here. Tap on that. And if you scroll down on this page, you can just tap on sign out. Here you have the option to erase your phone. You can also sign out, but don't erase your phone. So pick one of those 2 options. If you're giving it away to someone else, you might want to erase your phone, or if you're selling it. If you are just signing out of this Apple account to sign to a different one, maybe don't do that. You can just sign out, but don't erase. I'm not going to do either of these on my phone right now because I'm going to keep everything as it is. But these are the 2 options you have if you have your phone with you. If you don't have your phone with you, but you want to sign out of the iCloud account, these next 2 methods are for you. But before we get to that, there's been a lot of people getting scammed lately. So I put together this document right here, which is basically a checklist to scam-proof your phone. If you want that, it's free. Just scan this QR code or go to the link in the description down below, enter your email address, download the document, print it off, and then scam-proof your phone. So make sure that you do that. So let's do method 2 for signing out of your iCloud account. You want to use the Find My app. If you know where it is on your phone, tap it to open it. If you don't, use this little search, spotlight search, open Find My. You're going to see on the devices list other devices that you're signed into, or maybe that you've had in the past. Tap on any one of them, like this iPad right here. Let's just pretend I lost it or it was stolen. We have these options here, lost iPad, but I don't want to use those. I want to go down to the very bottom. I can tap on erase to erase the contents of that iPad remotely. You can also tap on remove, although remove is grayed out for me for some reason here. But if remove is not grayed out, then you can sign out of iCloud from that device. See if there's a different one where it's not removed. There. My MacBook Pro, I can tap on remove. And here it says remove Mac from this account, meaning it's going to sign out of the iCloud account on that MacBook. Tap on remove, and Bob's your uncle. You are now signed out remotely, because clearly we're not on that MacBook Pro. We are on my phone doing this. So this is a great benefit of activating Find My and adding all your devices to it, because you can do some things remotely, which is pretty cool. If you don't have access to an iDevice, because you need to have Find My, which is on an Apple device, you can also go to a website. Open Safari on whatever computer you have, and then go to iCloud.com, sign in. You have to sign into the same Apple account that you're using on the various devices and the device that you want to remove the iCloud account from. And once you're signed in, somewhere here, there's going to be a Find My. There it is. Find device. Tap on that. And it's basically the Find My app. And then you can tap on, let's do the MacBook Air this time. And then tap on remove on the MacBook Air. And it's going to remove that iCloud account from that device. So to quickly recap, the first method you do on your phone in the settings by signing out. The second method, you need to have an iDevice with a Find My app. And the other device has to be logged into an iCloud account. You log in with the same iCloud account as the other device, and you can see it on the Find My app, and you can remove the other one remotely. And the third method works on any internet-enabled device. It doesn't have to be an iPhone or an Apple product. Any device that can go to iCloud.com where you can sign in, you can use the Find My here and remove it. Isn't tracking what you're doing? Check out this video. It shows you all the places where iPhone's tracking you and how to turn them off. So make sure you check that out. And if you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on that one.